Hello, my name is Emil. I'm a United States veteran, U.S. Navy, after 21 years and enjoying life here in Vista, California. After review about 5 or 6 different companies, we realized that some of those companies were a fly-by-night situation. We met with Semper Solaris, compared their product and their service, and decided to go with them based on friends, family, and other write-ups for the Semper Solaris. Experience was great. First we met the sales folks online. They came out to visit, explained to us exactly what they will do. I did like the fact that communication was very good, both in person, by phone, or by email and prompt. From start to finish, the installation went great. Everything went on target as promised. They made sure that they communicated with us what was going to come next and what I needed to do. And of course, we finished our project on time. They were great to call when I did have any questions or concerns. They were right back with me that same day. Excellent service. The family wants to use the air conditioning more during the summer. However, we did realize a big cost savings as far as using electricity. So although we're only in about 3 months now, we have been seeing a good savings of almost 80% because of our burning of the air conditioning. But we're very happy. And of course, with Semper Solaris, you can't beat it. You got to go with Semper Solaris. Good product, good service, and they deliver on time.